We have some horses out here that are gonna be foaling fairly soon. Got Sugar over here. She'll be foaling too. And we'll get them bred back. I don't know how much longer my stud's gonna last. He doesn't have any teeth. He doesn't have any teeth in the front or the top. His bottom's got teeth, but we gotta keep putting them down. And anyways, I want to get him to breed a lady. So we'll have lady coming up with she'll be full papered, Toots, and just Toots is the one that our broodmare that isn't papered, but she is such an easy keeper. She's a horse that grazes, stays fat all the time. She just keeps herself in really good shape, and around here that's really good. That's something that I would like to keep that genetics going, and we're going to be working her and see what type of horse she turns into more. About I don't know, I was thinking about selling her, but anyways, we got a lot to do. We got to get into our house, and we just got too many things to do. We got lots going on, but stay busy keeps you out of trouble. So one of my favorite mountains right there. It's all covered in white. It's kind of a symbol of our area, that mountain there. So it snowed last night. It's April 6th and we're still getting snow. So we're feeding the horses this morning, and we're going to get some of them moved around here this week. So anyways, what do you think, Shrek? Huh? Yeah, I agree. Bobo. Two polka dotted ones. Little Gus. All right, guys. Do they have water? Did you check that water up there?
Yeah, there was water in there. I didn't check it though.
Okay. Let's check the beef. All right, we're going to feed. We call this the 7-bar T pasture. So there's LJ. Wendy. Wendy sure looks a lot like her mama. Built like her, huh? Spread it out in here, guys. Here, in here, not out there. Or you can put one out there for her. That's okay. She's got just one. Put the rest in here. Come here. Put it on that back side over there. Come on, guys, back here. Hey, not out there. I want through here. You get.
Still trying to figure out how to cross the creek.
She'll figure it out. Hey, Sugar. How's Sugar looking? She getting ready? Bellying out pretty good. Here, Curtis, come man the gate. ALJ. How you doing, girl? Sugar. Hey, big girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. You're a sweet girl. I think she's going to be a sweet ride. How you doing, Toots? Toots should be with foal. This is Lady. She's not bred, but she'll be bred this year. It's Wendy. What do you guys think of Wendy here?
I think she's built like her mom. Yeah, so she's not gonna be a bucking horse.
Yeah, you never know, huh?
Nope.
Yeah. Well, good looking group of horses. There's Aspen. Has she been walking good? You guys watched her?
I haven't noticed it.
All right, close that up. thanks for coming along with us this morning while we fed the horses because it snowed and it's a little bit cold, Z. They said it's a little different cold today. The wind has a really bite to it. It's really cold, bitter wind right now. So anyways, Johnny, how you feeling, buddy?
Cold.
Cold? All right.
Well, if you like this video, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and this is Tin Barn Farm over and out.